In this video, I'm going to talk about how we can integrate secant power 4x. Okay, so using integration by parts. So first of all, I'm going to separate secant 4x to secant square x times secant square x. Okay. And then notice that secant square x is actually 1 plus tangent square x, right, from the trigo identity. So now we have to decide, right, which one to be dv and which one to be u. Right, so in this case, I think secant square is quite easy to integrate compared to 1 plus tangent square. So I'm going to let this be dv. Okay, and then I'm going to let this be u. Okay, so using the formula, okay, so just let me write down the formula here in case you need it. So integrate u dv is equals to uv minus integrate v du. Okay, there. Right, so this is equals to u times v. So u is 1 plus tangent square x. And v would be the integral of secant square, which is tangent x, minus integrate v du, right? So du, that means differentiate this, we should get 2 tangent x secant square x, right? So chain rule. Okay, so let me just write it down. This would be tangent x plus tangent cube x. This one would be minus 2 integrate tangent square x secant square x. All right. Okay, so tangent square x, right? We can actually introduce secant square. Okay, so we have to use a trigo identity. So this is the trigo identity. Tangent square x plus 1 equals to secant square x, right? So tangent square x is actually secant square x minus 1. Okay, so that would be helpful here, right? So this is tangent x plus tangent cube x. Okay, minus 2. Okay, I'm going to replace the tangent square with secant square x minus 1. Okay, so the secant square x is still here. Okay, so let us expand this guy. Okay. So we should get secant to the power 4 x minus secant square x dx. Okay, so we are getting somewhere here. Okay, so this all looks good. Okay, so now I'm going to split this up because I realized that there's a secant to the power 4x, which is the same as the original question. Okay, so I'm going to split it up. So this would be 2 integrate secant to the power 4x dx plus 2 integrate secant square x dx, right? So integrate secant square x is pretty easy. Okay, so this is good. So I'm going to add both the left-hand side and the right-hand side of the equation by, by 2 integrate secant to the power 4x, right? So basically on the left-hand side, now I will have 3 of this, right? 3 copies of integral secant to the power 4x dx is equals to tangent x plus tangent cube x plus, okay, so 2 times the integral of secant square is basically just 2 tangent x. Okay, and then plus c, right? So we can write the plus c now or later. Okay, so I'm going to divide everything by 3 because I don't want the 3 here. Okay, so let me squeeze it a little bit. So secant to the power of 4x dx would be, okay, tangent x plus 2 tangent x is 3 tangent x, right? So 3 tangent x divided by 3 is just tangent x, okay? And then this one will be 1/3 tangent cube x plus, okay, so you can write it as c over 3 or just write another c. That's totally fine as well, right? Okay, so that will be the end of our integral. All right, so hope this video is helpful. And as usual, do like and subscribe. See you in the next video.